electricity sector is one of the major contributor to carbon emission that cause climate change. The conventional way to generate electricity is by using the fossil fuels like coal and gas that releases a large amount of carbon in the process. Okay. I'm talking about there is no one solution to fix this issue of carbon emission. There's no one solution to reduce it anyway. But there is proven cases in few developed countries whereby a large percentage of renewable resources in the electricity system will help in reducing the carbon reduction. Currently, we are talking about the developing country. There is research showing that the fossil fuel consumption increase with the economic growth. And we are talking about, in particular, for example, in Southeast Asia, the average of economic growth is about 2% to 7% annually. And this means that potentially this country, for example, in Southeast Asia, will be the future contributor of the carbon emission. And if you're talking about electricity sector, I would like to relate that to trilemma that we are having nowadays, which is to have the most reliable electricity system that produce less carbon emission at the best or lowest cost possible. And to address this trilemma requires a large capital investment. Of course, we will need a strong supporting policies and also a market framework in place. And not as simple as this. I mean, the uncertainty characteristic of renewable resources like solar and wind will add more constraint and uncertainty to this trilemma, within this trilemma. So my research will model the uncertainty and study the effect of this uncertainty on the daily electricity generation and long-term planning to address the future needs of energy. And in the end, I will provide the insights and guides to all parties, especially in Southeast Asia, to enhance the current efforts in reducing carbon emission, particularly from electricity sector. Thank you very much.